wanna be the one, and I know you wanna spend your time in a better place. What you really want, I know you cry, I know you try.
Oh, hey!
Hello.
So it is day 3. Our first day was horrible.
It was raining all day.
No, I mean like first day when we got here.
Oh, right, that day.
That was a shambles.
Jesus.
But yesterday was raining also, which was not fun.
No.
And we didn't get a lot done. We got a lot of food.
We did. And today we've gone on our little hike to a fall, but the road was closed because it's had so much rain. But
Yeah, so it's been raining here for 9 days apparently. So we haven't picked the best time, but we got to see the rapids, which was so fun.
very, very cool.
Yeah, I just really want to walk around. They're all very short hikes.
It was like a 5-minute walk, that one, so
But yeah.
we'll find another one along the way. We're on Hana Highway, and apparently you can stop off and there's all falls.
It's stunning. And of course the food. Oh my god, it's very slippery and muddy. They've had an insane amount of rain here, but this is stunning. Alrighty, so I've made it down and it is stunning. Wait till you see it, let's start here. Whoop. So this is the bottom and this is the Twin Falls. Look at it, it just comes crashing down. So they've had 9 days of rain here. Look at it all. Oh my gosh, so much water. This is so stunning. Like underneath the waterfall, there is just all these beautiful vines. Look at it all. I love it. These two are trying to get all the mud off their feet. Have a look. Alrighty guys, so we drove a little bit further and we found this little entrance just off the side of the road, and apparently there's 4 waterfalls. I'm so excited. Whoop! Look at it. That's awesome. How amazing. Woo! We found the bottom. So good. So now we're in the jungle. Jungle adventures with Ray and Charlie. And all of a sudden I'm David Attenborough.
The accent comes out.
We have not seen any wildlife yet, except for chickens. Oh my god, this is so slippery. And steamy, holy dooly.
You made it!
We made it across the bridge. Oh goodness. Think skinny thoughts, think skinny thoughts. Oh goodness. Yeah. So this is where we arrived at. Stunning. Oh my god, look at that sweat fog on the front. My goodness. There we go, much better. So we just crossed the plank down there. Now we're going up the steep mountain. Alrighty, let's do this. How muddy I am. Woo! What'd you say? What's the altitude?
Love the altitude.
We love it. I'll be like, I'll just walk backwards, it's fine.
I know. The filming is going to be great.
This is how good you are at walking. Ray's just walking backwards with the camera.
I know. Just hoping I don't trip and fall on my... It just happened.
Oh God, love you.
So we got a bit muddy, down and dirty, as they would say.
Yes.
Love
even
it.
At the back of my legs.
Yes. Oh my god. Love it.
No, you're not too bad.
Oh, just here.
What about your butt?
Maybe on my ass.
Oh no, you're not too bad. You did well.
I washed off in the waterfall.
I'm the grub.
Good morning.
Hello. It is, what day is it? 4 or 5?
5?
I don't even know.
Someday.
It's Friday. Friday in Maui. It's our second last day in Maui.
Woo! I'm gonna cry.
Yeah, but it's fine. Good Honolulu next. But we're just going for a trip, a little car trip.
Yeah.
I think it's north.
I think
I'm
it's
gonna say north.
Whatever.
And we found all these beautiful little ocean cliff views, and they are stunning.
So you will see that in about soon.
Yeah, if we don't trip over all these rocks.
Okay. Look at how cold she is.
feel that, I know that. I want you, you want me. You feel that, I know that. I love you, you love me. You know that, I feel that. I love you, you love me. You know that, I feel that.
In the middle of the dance floor, I wanna go to the Father's direction way too soon. To feel like I'm this along with you.